Morning. As Brian said, my name is Nathan Wilcox. I'm the Energy and Clean Air Advocate with PennEnvironment. PennEnvironment is a statewide environmental advocacy organization with about 15,000 citizen members throughout Pennsylvania. I first definitely want to applaud Brian and all the staff at Pennsylvania Environmental Council for this effort. It is efforts like this that are absolutely critical to addressing the problem of global warming. PennEnvironment was excited to be a part of the climate change roadmap for many of the same reasons that have already been mentioned. Global warming has emerged as the most pressing environmental issue that we face today, and Pennsylvania, because we do create more global warming pollution than every state besides Texas and California, has a moral obligation to be part of the solution in cutting global warming pollution. But beyond our responsibility to act, we also have a clear self-interest in acting to avoid the worst consequences of global warming. Brian earlier mentioned the research by the Union of Concerned Scientists. That group has actually determined that unchecked global warming will result in Pennsylvania's climate resembling that of Georgia and Alabama by the end of the century. And with that change in climate will come everything from more heat-related deaths to unhealthy air days to the potential loss of native plants and animal species. Unless we act. Because scientists have also said that we can avoid the worst consequences of global warming if we were able to cut global warming pollution levels by 20% by 2020 and then 80% by 2050. And the Climate Change Roadmap report does a great job of mapping out a lot of the policies that will help us achieve those reductions in Pennsylvania. Everything from increases in renewable energy to energy efficiency to better land use policies. A lot of policies are at our fingertips to start cutting global warming pollution today, and what we desperately need right now is the political will at the state level to start implementing some of these solutions.